This is for you suffering with back pain. That type that comes and goes, the one that has been recurrent for years. You have managed, you have made it go away. You have strategies that you use that you know that can make it better. But for some reason, those strategies are not working anymore. For some reason, even medication is not touching the pain. But then all of a sudden, the back pain's gone. You have moments that you're fine, you have moments that you're not. You cannot bring a pattern, you cannot understand the pattern of this pain. And all you know is when the pain is there, is debilitating you. The pain is all the way around the groin, the front thighs, across the pelvis, the center of the lumbar spine, right in the middle, and even at the back of the legs, like you feel that tension going down. You don't necessarily have sciatica, you don't necessarily have pins and needles, numbness, but perhaps you have had in the past, and you understand when that comes through. What you don't understand is why is the pain so volatile, so vulnerable in a way that you can't control it anymore. And when I say you can't control it, I'm saying is you can't make it go away. You cannot manage as much as you used to. Is it getting worse? Well, yes, but sometimes not so much, but just bothersome, just there. And virtual physio is here not to give you physio exercises. Virtual physio comes from a completely different approach. It's the somatic experience approach, the one that links the mind to the body, the one that wants to understand the reason for the pain, why the pain is there, what's the pain bringing, the messages the pain is bringing for you, and helping you, guiding you. I will be guiding you to really read these messages, understand these messages. Once you understand, once you can use these tools, you can speak to all the pains that happen in your body, anywhere in your body, and you will be able to get those messages, those answers. Pain is a tool from your body, from your mind, your subconscious, to transfer the message through the pain in certain parts of your body to help you understand what emotion that we are suppressing, what's trapped within ourselves, and it needs to come out in some way or another. And it will come out through the tissue. The tissue will be speaking through the pain signals. It's not a matter of, oh, it's all in your head. It's not that. But it's what's inside you emotionally that we are struggling to move on with, that we are struggling to acknowledge, that we are struggling to continue to do it, even though we know we can no longer do it that way. And here we're going to understand really the somatic, the metaphysics, the spiritual meaning of back pain. And through that, we're going to transfer that, all that understanding, all that message into a tool for you to utilize and speak to your body, talk to your body, get the messages that the body is trying to convey to you through your pain so that you can start releasing these emotions, letting go of these emotions, understanding where you're feeling trapped, understanding how to move through your true lessons. Because right now, if you're in pain, most likely you're not navigating life, you're not walking your path through your true understanding of who you are. You're probably navigating a path through the understanding of who you think you are from previous experiences, from influences from our family background, how we were raised, how we were brought up. And this is the moment your body is asking, you are questioning yourself. Why am I doing this way? Yeah. But back pain is all about, am I being seen? Am I being heard? And do I feel supported in life? Do I feel supported when I need to feel supported? And this is what we're going to uncover. So this is a video Zoom conference call workshop. It's free. It's a little sample of what I do in my Aluma Concept um, online program membership. We have four monthly calls, so one call a week, all live, all with me, all bringing tools, facilitating, guiding, teaching you so that you can become independent with your own pain management strategies, pain release, emotional release in a safe way, and also bringing regulation to the nervous system, because we can't do this just expecting to go in there, dysregulate the nervous system, and then leave you with that. We need to learn regulate how to regulate the nervous system so that we can work with these releases. It's not that simple, but it is a simple tool to use and integrate in your daily life. And what I would like to share as well, that once you have this experience, this understanding, to just have a look at the online program. You know, it's a monthly subscription, but then we meet 4 times a month. So you are being guided, you are being supported. And in that sense, it's a way to gently work through your patterns, gently integrate your new patterns, your new essence, your new truth. Yes. Um, and it's not about throwing at you exercises. I don't go into exercises. This is a very trauma-informed physiotherapy approach, very somatic. And we work with the energy in your body, how to shift the energies in your body as well, how to recalibrate the energies in your body and your nervous system. I look forward to seeing you in this free workshop. The link is below for you to register. And yes, I look forward to seeing you. Thank you so much.